The dual cable Katana Tricep extension primarily trains the long head of the triceps, more specifically in their lengthened position. To set up, set the cable at hip height. Holding directly onto the ball end of the cable and facing away from the machine, reach across your body and grab the cable with your opposite hand and place it behind your head. Repeat this with the opposite arm. Place your upper arm around 30 degrees from your torso and adjust the height of your elbows into a position that allows you to reach full elbow flexion. Full elbow flexion is achieved when your forearm touches your bicep. The height of your elbows will depend on your individual range of motion at the shoulder. Next, take a step forward and choose a stance where you feel most stable, either with your feet square or in a split stance. Push your shoulders down toward your hips and stack your ribs over your pelvis by crunching slightly. This will create a neutral spine and stable core. If you've set up correctly, the cable should be running across the back of your shoulders, matching the angle of your upper arm. For the action, on the concentric, extend your elbows, imagining that you're drawing swords, hence the name Katana extension. On the eccentric, bend the elbow with control, aiming to touch your forearm with your bicep. To finish the movement, spin towards the cable machine. For proper alignment, maintain shoulder stability by pushing your shoulders down to your hips, and maintain a neutral and stable core by stacking your ribs over your pelvis. Lastly, aim to have the cable brushing the back of your shoulder throughout the movement, matching the angle of your upper arm.